Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I am working on the rescue Tercel, and we are going to be putting this stuff in it. What is that stuff? This is sound deadener. So I haven't researched to see if there's any videos on comparing if it actually works or not, but I am going to try and do a small video on before and after noise, which is why I bought this here cheap $20 eBay decibel meter. So I'm going to put this in the car, take it for a drive at like 45, 55, and 70 and see how loud it is in the car. And then also I'm going to hose the car with water to simulate rain in a couple different ways. Try to do like light rain, medium, and heavy. So I got this stuff. It's, I think, 80 millimeters thick. This is the stuff you got to roll on. It's like tar. I got some of this, 36 square feet of that. And then I also got this foam. Same amount, 36 square feet. So my plan is I'm going to put a couple sheets of this on the roof. I got to pull the headliner out. I'm going to put a couple sheets on the roof just to kind of give it some structure. And then I'm going to line the whole roof with this foam because these cars are kind of like pop cans. They really have no insulation in them. So I think it'll help with heat and stuff in the wintertime, as well as noise. So yeah, the roof is going to get the foam, and I also think the doors and the hatch are going to get the foam. I probably will do the same thing and drop a couple chunks of this in there just to give the door some like rigidity, I don't know, structure. It kind of makes your door sound nice when you close. But the rest of this is going to go on the floor. So yeah, I don't know. I've never done this before. This will be my first car I've ever put sound deadener in, so don't judge me if the video sucks. I'm going to do my best to do a comparison of before and after. So I guess I'm going to get this interior apart, and I'm pretty much just going to lay the stuff down and show you how I did it. I'm not going to record me doing it because it's boring. And then we'll take it back out and do another sound test. So yeah, I guess let's get ripping. difference. So it's another day, but the rescue Tercel is all back together with the sound deadener in it. We're going to get ready to go take this thing on our drive, do the same exact test that we did before. Go down the road, do 45, 55, and 70. And then of course do the rain test. Might throw another test in there since I have another one sitting right there that doesn't have sound deadener in it. Car's back together, obviously. I didn't video really anything, but I did take some pictures of what I did, so I will go ahead and post a quick shot of all the photos in the video so you can see how I laid everything out. But I don't know, maybe I can sneak in here and get a little bit. You got some up there in the kick panel underneath all this padding's got it. There's some there. Probably can see some down in there. Yeah, not really, I guess. But yeah, I'll go ahead and throw them photos in there. I did put stuff inside the hatch. I don't think I took pictures of inside the hatch, but makes it sound a lot more solid. So yeah, the weird tar stuff's all inside every door. I put chunks of it in every door, plus the foam. Rear cargo area, same thing. I put tons of chunks under it, under the spare tire. This rear cargo area was very pop can sounding when you tapped on it. I can include the video of the difference I knocked on it, so I'll throw them in there. Same with the doors. I put that sticky stuff in there. I did like 4 chunks, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottoms. There's a big brace in the door, and then I lined the door where the plastic sticks on. I stuck the foam to the plastic so it wouldn't, you know, I could take the plastic off, work on my door, but gives it a nice solid sound. It's in the quarter panels. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see the difference. If I get 3 to 5 decibels different, that's probably considered a massive improvement, I would think. Especially this roof. Set this on slow like we did before first, and then fast on the way back. Oh, that window's not up. There we go. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell in the video, but All right, so for my next test involves bass, bassing out with your system. So, I'm running a sick setup in this unit here. Both cars have this identical little 8-inch Rockville mounted to the quarter panel. Now, this car, it kind of drives me nuts being mounted here because it rattles. And what do you know? It rattled in that car too. So I put sound deadener in there. I put sound deadener on these panels, the whole bit. Since this car doesn't have it, I can do a really good side-by-side comparison of how bass sounds outside the car with just this tiny little sub. So I have a video on YouTube that's got 45 hertz. This thing seems to like 45 hertz. It makes the car rattle. That's all I'm saying. So we're gonna go ahead and do the test so you can hear the car. All right, so here's our video. Yeah, them guys are great. If you don't watch their channel, you should. Okay, I have the volume on the radio set at 32 and the phone's all the way up. All right, now we'll go do this on the gray Toyota with the sound deadener. All right, now we're in the sound deadener Tercel. And I'm a man of my word. 32 volume. Phone's up. We'll stand outside this car and listen to it. Once this breeze goes away, I'm going to pause the video until the wind goes away. All right, the wind's a little better. Let's go. I would say that is a heck of an improvement. Not a single rattle. All right, so now we're going to do 50 hertz. That is awful. Now to the gray Toyota. If that don't tell you it didn't help, I don't know what does. Alright, so I figured I'd add this as part of the test. Not that it's anything special, but I'm going to go ahead and knock on a handful of panels and see the difference. So yeah, I don't know. I think that's pretty sweet. I think it's an improvement. I will have to check at the videos and see if the decibel meter says it's different. I can tell you now, my ears telling me it's better. It's a lot quieter inside the car, a lot less road noise, even like stone chips, or not stone, that makes sense. Stones hitting the wheel wells is a lot quieter now. These cars just have a lot of wind noise in general because there's, you know, crappy windows and door seals, so you're going to get a little bit of wind noise. But yeah, overall, I think it's an improvement, and I think the biggest thing is going to be wintertime. This thing is going to hold heat so much better than the other car, because these things do not hold heat at all. So yeah, I don't know. Sorry about the cobbled weird video. I did the best I could with what I have. I hope this video has maybe made you want sound deadener or not. I don't know. I personally think for the $100 that I spent, it's well worth the investment. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I'm always doing something to my cars or going off-roading, so I guess until the next video, peace.